penny wise and foolish when it comes to supersizing and growing your business. This is probably like a little 1 pound ball. And this is a big thing of change. I keep my change, and that might be considered penny wise to some people, but to me, it's a good idea, and I can use it to treat the grandkids to something special by saving up my penny. The whole point of this idiom, this idiom's actually been around since 1621. It is attributed to Robert Burton, who was an Oxford scholar, primarily in mathematics, but he also wrote a book called The Anatomy of Melancholy. He suffered from depression for his entire life, and so he wrote this book in order to help himself to overcome depression. And one of the theories and one of the things he shared in the book was this idea of being penny wise and pound foolish, meaning paying attention to the little details about things, especially in the area of savings, and ignoring the bigger, larger issues with respect to our financial well-being and our financial health. So it's a great idiom that reminds us to balance the big goals, our big financial goals, with our everyday details and the little things and the little areas where we might save or we might cut corners. We talked about cutting corners not too long ago. And like anything else, it can be used in a positive way or a negative way. Anything that we carry to extremes, you know, if we're penny pinching, I guess it's a penny day. If we're penny pinching and we're not paying attention to the things that are really important in our business, especially as we're growing and supersizing it, we'll miss those things. Things like our customers' experience, things like paying attention to our customers, things like getting attention and always bringing in new customers. If we're focusing on cutting, you know, finding cheaper sources of raw materials, if we're manufacturing something, we might not be serving our customers, solving their problems and serving their best interests. So love to know your particular experience with this. I don't think I've ever said, let's not be penny wise and pound foolish. I find there's a lot of different ways and more modern ways of saying that. You know, let's pay attention to the details, but not forget the big picture. So I'd love to know your experience with this particular idiom. Have you used it? Have you said it? Have you heard anyone else say it? I would be curious about that. Have an awesome day. Start to a new week. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business right now? Have an amazing day.